I'm just going to go through this. If we've already gone through it, that's fine. You can continue working, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys see sort of the tricks of what it's asking you to search for. Okay, so if you take the information that's provided here and start to label what you have. So the height of the solid, labeled L, is 9. The bases are 19 and 41. Okay, and then you're told that these are 45-degree angles for the isosceles trapezoid. Okay, so this is all the information that's provided here. We can take our surface area formula is going to be a prism, so it's 2 bases. The bases are trapezoids, so 1/2 the sum of the bases times the height of the trapezoid, all plus the perimeter of the base times the height of the solid. So here's what we're looking at for our calculation. And if we start to plug in the pieces that we have, the 2's cancel. Base 1 is 19. Base 2 is 41. The total height, we don't know yet, but we can find that. I'll leave that as it is. Plus, and then the perimeter is the sum of all these sides, which we will find, and then the height of the solid is 9. All right, so we're missing 2 pieces of information here, the perimeter and the height of the trapezoid. So let's look at the height first. When we draw this altitude here, it creates a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Well, if you know that that's created on both sides of this, then the figure that's inside here is a rectangle where opposite sides are equal. So this opposite side, this portion of the 41 is taken up by 19. So if you were to subtract 19 from 41, that's going to leave what the 2 legs of these 45, 45, 90 triangles need to be. So that gives you 22. Divide by 2 means that each of these is 11. And now you can use the properties of 45, 45, 90 triangle to solve this. Now keep in mind that this might be 30 degrees, it might be 60 degrees, it might be 45 degrees, so you might need to use different properties here. For this one, the legs are equal, so our height is 11, and our hypotenuse is x root 2. So the length of each of these legs is 11 root 2. And so now we can figure out our total perimeter. 19 and 41 is 60. Plus we have these 2 legs. They're each 11 root 2. And so we can do our calculation here. Here 60 times 11 plus the quantity 60 plus 2 times 11 root 2 is 22 root 2. And then that's all times 9. I'll put a decimal here so my answer is displayed as a decimal. And when I do, I get 1480.01 approximately. The units are meters, surface area is 2 dimensions.